John's the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Red Chef. This came in an exotic nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code Ramen Raider 15 for 15% off your order. Not bad. So let's make this happen. This is from Malaysia. This is their Pandan white curry. If you haven't had Pandan before, it's a leaf off a plant, and the leaf it imparts a kind of nutty taste. Sometimes you'll find it if you go to a bubble tea joint. They'll have Pandan leaf waffles, like big thick Belgian waffles. Oh, freaking wonderful. Good stuff. Man, that sounds pretty good. I could go for that right now. I think maybe that will be what I need to do to get my wife to bring me over to 99 Ranch today. That might be it. Maybe. So, 3 minutes. So this is the fourth video I'm doing today because I'm not even going to count that one I did earlier. That what you would have seen 2 days ago. But yeah, I aired that one, and even though it's screwed up, let's do our quote for the day from the man who invented the instant noodle. Number 15? Ideas for business can be found anywhere if you just look around. So there you go. Another quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks that was sent to me and got from Nissan by the head of Myojo USA. Thank you again, Mr. Taku-san. And I just scheduled a conference with my kid's teacher. Oh. It's a trip being a stay-at-home dad, I gotta say. Because, I mean, she's at work, you know, and, like, the conference... Of course, the times when they can do any of this stuff is while she's at work. So it's like I've got to do a Zoom meeting from 1 to 1:30 tomorrow. Did I really just schedule it for that? That's right when I'm usually cooking. Well, it's 1:30 now and I'm on my fourth one, so if I do the same thing tomorrow as I did today, I should be able to crank out a couple of them, probably 3. It's a half-hour little conference, a little get-to-know you, and let them know what's going on with the kid and stuff, and what kind of situation it is here. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And, yeah, I'm stoked. I'm really nervous about the school year, but then again, I'm also like, this is going to be rad. I'm stoked they're going to have something to do other than, like, watch Peppa Pig and Yo Gabba Gabba. And they get something that's more engaging, you know, and actually talking to people. I think Mimi's going to get the most out of it, because it's just like, she wants to make friends so freaking bad. Peppa, can I go talk to my friends? And it's like these older kids that hang out in the, like, over there is the playground, and she'll yell at them. She's like, "Hi, friends!" So cute. I love that little daughter of mine. And Miles just wishes he could be out running around too and doing stuff, but it's just like, at least we can go up to my sister's and, you know, throw them in the pool. Not much longer, though. It's going to be too cold for that action. But yeah. Dirty, dirty COVID. All I gotta say is I ordered an LED mask that you can have it say stuff. I'll go across and say stuff. But I thought I would have had it by now. Just watch. I won't get it until COVID is over. Although I just looked at it today and it said it'll be shipped within 7 to 12 business days. This, I believe, is the 11th business day. So I'm starting to get cranky. I don't know. Also, the question is, where's it being shipped from? I hope it's decent. It was like 30 bucks, but it says it'll do multiple languages. You know, I want it to say something maybe in some foreign language. Something fun and kind. Or I'll just have it say the Ramen Raider and people go like, what the frick is that weird dude running around with this Ramen Raider crap all the time? But you know, that's just me. Alright, all the sachets are in. Making the white curry. Watch this broth just get insane. Okay. Oh, I don't have any shrimp thawed out or anything. Let's put some shrimp in there. That's a must-have. It's frozen, but I mean, it'll work. That will work. I'm bummed. I used to get the shrimp from Costco. That was Costco shrimp. But I used to get Costco shrimp that was like super big, like 21 per pound. And just like ultra enormous. You know, let's just not have some tail. Let's skip the tail. Okay. What else are we throwing in here? We got a lot of stuff we can throw in here. Put you back on the heat. Just to make sure that shrimp gets thawed. Thawed. It's thawing. Thaw. Thaw. Yeah. I like white curry. I know you're probably like, you didn't even taste it. Blah, blah, blah. I've reviewed this already. Okay, I know how much I like it. So, let's see if that did the schnappity snip snap. I think this will be good enough. I want the shrimp to get the nice color of the broth. Ooh, yeah. I gotta say, I really like white curry. I really do. And I like this bowl. Oh boy, do I like this bowl. This bowl is so rad. Yep. Yeah, baby. Let's get the noodles off these shrimp. Put it say? Oh. A lot of big news in the world of Pokemon right now. I will not make you deal with that. But there's a lot of big news in the world of Pokemon. Mega evolutions and... But you just said you were gonna make me listen to any of that crap, too. Yeah, I know. I'll put some tomato. Some more tomato. And I got a boatload of spring onion too. What else do we slap in there? I know we like. God, that's a lot of spring onion. But I had a lot, so. A little bit of the Blake. A little bit of oil. Let's oil up these eggs. Oil. And I do not need any Laogan Ma on this. That would be like insulting. What else we got? I think I used all the leftovers I had. Yeah, this will be a meal fit for a king. Oh. Pepper flake? And you know, I went through the trouble to get them. I didn't use them on anything today. I'm gonna use some mung bean sprouts. I really wish, though, that whoever's distributing these mung bean sprouts, if you're out there listening, tell me, you know. Listen. Stop with the organic ones, because the organic ones, it's just kind of silly. The regular bags are bigger, but they're all closer to expiration, it seems like, everywhere, and I don't understand, because it used to be the opposite. So fix that, and I'll be happy. Yeah, there's some mung bean sprouts. And then I simply put it in a large Ziploc bag and throw it in the bottom of the fridge until next time, which will be tomorrow. All right. I did it. Four cooking videos in one day, and one was screwed up. That's okay. We'll just have to redo it, right? All right, I said go. Anyways, well, I hope you've enjoyed the last 4 episodes. And if you have, like, subscribe, click that bell. Please, for the love of God, push the bell. Watch every one of my videos every day. Please. I'm really trying to get out another episode of The Chocolate Break. We did 2 of them in July, and I still haven't had a chance to edit them. But the template is there. It's close. So yeah. Alright. As has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Do you. Do what you do. For you. Yes.